Let's now go to pancreas. Let's discuss treating poor pancreas function. Once diagnosed, an acupuncture point will be selected to strengthen the pancreas function. Some typical acupoints are stomach 36 on the shin about 3 inches below the knee, pancreas 6 about 3 inches above the inner ankle, pancreas 3 on the side of the foot beside the big toe, and bladder 20 on the back. Note that usually only one single acupoint will be used. But in acupuncture, there is often a choice of several different acupoints that could be achieved the same effect. And the most appropriate one would be chosen depending on the circumstances. The above are the most commonly used acupoints to correct poor pancreas function. When poor pancreas function has been present for some time, these acupoints tend to feel tender when pressed due to the resonance between the pancreas and these acupoints. When one of the acupoints is stimulated, this utilizes this same resonance but in reverse, which encourages the organ to cancel out the malfunction in itself that caused the tenderness, and the organ returns to normal function. The pancreas pulse will then become much stronger where it was previously weak and usually change in quality. The progress of treatment. In Western countries, acupuncture sessions tend to be given at weekly intervals initially. Then the time between treatments is increased as the signs and symptoms improve. On the second visit, most patients report an improvement in some of their symptoms, which could include an improvement in their sense of taste, energy or digestion, with less bloating and tiredness after eating, or the absence of loose stools, and some even report an improvement in their ability to think, with their mind seeming more clear. After the first session, this improvement may only last for a day or two, particularly when the symptoms were present for many years. But after each successive treatment, the improvements usually last longer until the patient remains symptom free between treatments. We have here a sample patient, male aged 56. This patient had a wide range of symptoms which had built up for years, including poor appetite, feeling tired after eating, having a poor sense of taste, sweet cravings, loose stools, and he found it hard to drink after midday. All these symptoms cleared after a few treatments. The value of regular maintenance treatments. Once a patient's health problem has been resolved, they usually appreciate the value of good health and realize that this can be maintained by regular treatments, with the frequency being determined by the degree of stress in their life. In the Neijing, it is said when treatment is sought only after a disease has become fully developed, this is as if a well were dug when one is thirsty, and as if weapons were cast when the fight is on. Would this not be too late? Thank you for your attention.